Hi guys, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my note-taking essentials. This is one of the most requested video after I uploaded a video on how I take my notes. So if you guys haven't seen that, so make sure you do. I'll be linking it in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's get started. So for the notebooks, I use these Ajanta spiral pads. Now these are unruled, that means blank pages, very affordable and also a local brand. Now if you're comfortable with ruled or single line pages, you can go ahead and use that. But this is what I personally use. You can use Navneet notebooks, classmate notebooks, or just blank pages. It's totally up to you. But this is one of the ruled book option that I have for y'all here. I really like this as well, and also it's very affordable. So yeah, it's completely your choice when it comes to the books and pages. Moving on to the writing essentials, which is something that you guys are waiting for. So I use not a lot of things, but yeah, a couple of things for making these notes like this. So for the header, I use these super chisel markers. These are by Luxor, very affordable, just for rupees 10 each. You can get a lot of colors in them. This has got a sharp tip and a blunt tip as well. So it's like one edge is sharp and the one edge is blunt. So you can adjust the thickness and the thinness of your line. So it's perfect for writing headers. And this is something that I mostly use. Also, I have these Camlin brush pens that I also use for headers if I don't have any particular color. I have this one in a pack of 10. Now, these are a little expensive, but I think these are the best brush pens that you can find here in the Indian market. But if you know any better ones, let me know that in the comment section below. Moving on to my another essential, it's this book. Now this is the Topper Study Hacks by Avinash Agarwal, and yes, this is one of my essentials for taking notes and studying. So this book is basically a comprised success stories of more than 100 JEE and NEET aspirants. I know most of you all are preparing yourself for competitive exams, and this is one of the best books to have with you all on your study desk. It has everything. You guys keep on asking me about planning, study schedule. You will find all of that in this book. It's something that you would want to read every single day, every single time before your exams, and I'm sure every time you read it, you'll learn something or the other new. It's very motivating. There are a lot of stories about how people have, achieved their goals, how they have studied. It's more about studying smart and not extremely hard. So this book is one of the best things. They have different techniques on how you can study physics, chemistry, how to study maths, and how to study especially for these extremely competitive exams like NEET and JEE. The price of this book is $250, but you can always find it on discount on Amazon and Flipkart, which I'll be linking it in the description box below. And I think if you're someone who has a lot of high goals, who wants to be out there in the toppers list, then this is something that you really need on your study desk. I'll be linking everything in the description box below. Moving on to my pens, these are the Pentel Energel Classmate B First and Octale gel pens that I use. Now these three are something that I keep on fluctuating, but yeah, these are one of my favorite, at the same time very affordable pens. I've already mentioned them quite a lot of times on my channel. Next are these post-it notes. I have made a complete video on 20 different ways to use post-it notes, which again will be in the description box below. I think my life will be incomplete without post-it notes, whether I'm studying or not studying. So yeah, moving on to highlighters, I have the Cello Power highlighters. These are the thinner ones, and I also use the normal Cello highlighters. They come in a good range of colors, and I really like them. The pigmentation is very nice, and also they do not overpower your pen's ink. So that is something I always look out in highlighters, and they are affordable too. For colored pens, I use this Luxor Fine Writer. They are again very affordable, really nice and colorful, and if you see my note writing video, you would definitely know how good these pens are. Moving on, I use this Camlin Flora pencil. I think this just comes for rupees 5 each. Really nice pencil. Also, it looks pretty aesthetic as well. Last but not the least is this Apsara's black eraser that I use. Again, it's a really nice product, very affordable as well. So yeah, these were the note-taking essentials that I use to take my notes. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.